Hey there, I'm Elon Keshin. I'm a product marketing manager here at Magical, and I'm here to share with you one of our incredible new product updates we've just launched that is especially good if you help customers in Zendesk. So maybe you're in customer service, maybe you're in customer care, and you're spending all your day helping customers through tickets and messages in Zendesk. We see a lot of people who use Magical also use Zendesk, and they use it as a way to, have faster access to all of their templates. At the same time, we see a lot of Zendesk-based teams using what are called macros, which are similar to templates, but they're only made by team admins, and they're a lot more controlled, so they have typically less breadth. What we're doing today is launching the ability to sync your macros from Zendesk into your Magical templates. That means that you'll be able to use the branded, compliant, best practice language that exists in Zendesk and create a backup here in Magical that you can also personalize and add your own personal flavor, which we all know helps increase CSAT. So here's how it works. I'm in my workspace and I click on my icon in the bottom left. I just click Sync Zendesk Macros and I go get my subdomain, which is that little piece of text in the URL from my Zendesk instance. And then I click Sync. And boom, I have 3 templates that are automatically imported. They were macros in Zendesk, and now they're templates in Magical that I can share with the right teams that are up to date and accurate in terms of the language they use. But I can also create alternate versions that make them my own and that add my personal flavor to them. And if maybe something changed in the business, maybe there's a new product or there's an update to a policy, you can really quickly make those changes for yourself instead of waiting on someone else. I hope this helps. And if you're in customer service or customer support and you're using Zendesk, remember, just go to getmagical.com/install and you'll be able to get Magical and sync your Zendesk macros all in just a few minutes. Hope this helps, and happy automating, everybody.